Welcome to the Days Inn by Travelodge. This is actually the Buena Park location. It's actually a lot better than we're expecting.
It's really nice.
Yeah, doesn't look like it is all that on the outside. It is budget friendly. We paid about $94 for one night. Right down the street from Knott's Berry Farm, and you're about 10-15 minute drive or less to the Disneyland Resort. So we're here for one night. This is a large king bed. It smells great. We were not expecting it to have a separate seating area. Got your air conditioning right there, lighting very bright, not too bright, but it's nice. There is a huge fridge. It's a huge mini fridge. It smells like they remodeled these rooms recently because they still smell like, you know, I don't know, paint or something, but it looks really nice. You have a microwave as well. Huge storage space on top because of the desk area too. They do offer coffee downstairs in the lobby in the mornings, I believe. Nice TV. Nice TV. You can hang some stuff right here. Got a little bench to get ready. This is gonna be your sink. This is what they offer you. A wipe and a cleaning bar, soap bar. Mirror here. Bathroom is okay. Standard bathroom. Decent sized toilets. I know some of them get really low to the ground, depending where you go, but decent sized shower. Yeah, decent size. Not bad. Yeah, it looks like your Crystal's ready to for TV dinners.
I like how we have this. We need one of these for our home.
Yeah, you know what? That's actually pretty smart. So yeah, you guys, not that bad. We're digging the room.